In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Zoom catalogs in your sales and marketing. So if you're watching this tutorial, hopefully you've already learned how to use the Zoom catalog search engine. If not, jump back and watch that, and you can learn how to quickly find supplier catalogs as well as products within them. Once you find a product you're interested in the search engine, you can click to open up the catalog to that page. This tutorial is going to show you what you can do from this point on. So you can see I'm in the supplier catalog. This is their Proud Path catalog. And this is a replica of the experience of having that catalog open up on my desk. What that means is I can turn the pages backwards and forwards to see what else is in here. I can also jump all the way to the beginning to the cover page. Now, every Zoom catalog you access is going to be exactly the same with a simple navigation bar on the right-hand side. You can see in the navigation, I have a few options such as being able to search this catalog, table of contents, and more. So the first thing I'd like to teach you is how to share a Zoom catalog. You can copy and paste this link and send it over to anybody you'd like to enable them to browse it themselves, whether it's to a colleague or to a customer, a prospect, posting it in a social media post, etc. If you want to send them to a specific page or a specific product, you simply do that by navigating to that page. So say, for example, I want to share this tumbler with my customer. I can copy this link, and you notice at the end it says page 16. This is the page I'm on, and so when somebody clicks that link, once they see it in their email, it's going to open the catalog up to this page. The nice thing about that is you've sent them the entire catalog, so they will immediately see the item you're suggesting, but they'll also have the opportunity to browse the catalog and see what else is available. So sharing catalogs is really simple. It's like sharing a website. You can send them to the cover page to browse a whole catalog or to a specific item. Now, a few other tips. You can search within a catalog. So in our previous tutorial, we showed you how you could search across all supplier catalogs at one time. Once you're inside of a Zoom catalog, you can search just that specific one for what you're looking for. So if I search for tumbler, it's going to show me exactly what pages this item shows up on. And then I can quickly navigate over to that section. There's also a table of contents that helps me easily jump over and navigate to a certain area. So if I want to see Bose products, I can now navigate over there quickly. You can also get a thumbnail preview of all the pages. This is a great way to get a quick visual of what's in this catalog and be able to jump over to a specific section. So we can quickly click on a page here and it'll take me over there. You can also embed this catalog on your website. So with the embed code, you can make this catalog show up right on a page in your site. You can also put the catalog links on your site, but the embed code will actually allow users to flip through the pages right there on the web page, as opposed to having the catalog open in another link. If you need help with this, reach out to us. We're more than happy to help. And then our snipping tool is another really awesome feature that many distributors love utilizing. As you've noticed, suppliers put tons of great images in their catalogs, including lifestyle shots and product images. With the snipping tool, you can now cut out sections of a catalog to get what you need. So you can cut images out for your presentations, to put on your website, into emails, to post on social media, your blog posts. There's really no limit to what you can do with these images. And because they're jam-packed with so many great lifestyle shots, you'll be able to find great images for whatever you're doing. So I can click on the snipping tool and take the box and simply enlarge it around the area I'd like to snip off the page, hit clip, and I have the image. So I can save this to my computer to use where I like or post on social media, or I can click to email this directly from here. I can email it to myself, my customers, or my prospects. And then you can also download the catalog as a PDF. Not only can you download the whole catalog, but you can download any pages you like or segments of pages. So this is a great way if you wanted to just send a little segment to somebody or save it to your computer to be able to access with no internet. Lots of great use cases for downloading these catalogs as PDF. We have share options, so you can quickly and instantly share to different social media networks. And then, of course, you can email this catalog. So if you click on that, you can quickly send it over to yourself, your colleagues, or your customers. And then if the catalog is from a supplier that has other catalogs, you can click here and view whatever other catalogs the supplier has available, this supplier being PCNA. And you can see they have lots of other great catalogs I can navigate over to. Now, when you're in the menu, you can enlarge it for some tips on what these different tools are. But again, all the Zoom catalogs are identical, so once you learn how to use one, you'll know how to use them all. And since almost every supplier has a Zoom catalog, it's definitely worthwhile taking some time getting familiar so you can start using these. Also, if you start to put these catalogs on your website, the nice thing is that it's going to be really consistent for your website visitors because all the suppliers have the Zoom catalog menu and options within their catalog. So that's a quick tutorial on how to share and use these catalogs. If you would like a more in-depth look of Zoom Catalog in general, reach out to us at hello@zoomcatalog.com.